Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the Litecoin update. The biggest thing here, Litecoin price prediction. Litecoin not ready to move higher, a retest of $260 support later today. Okay, we will check this now, what's going on with Litecoin. Here is CoinMarketCap, Litecoin is on place number 9, and on the daily it's going down a little bit with 1%, but on the week Litecoin is going nicely to the upside, 21% in the plus. So here's the big overview for Litecoin, and here is Tradingview, and it's telling us with the technical analysis on the daily we have to buy, we have to strong buy, and we should sell it. So the oscillators sell, the summary is telling us buy, and the moving averages is telling us or are telling us strong buy. On the 4 hours we have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral for the oscillators. On the 1 hour a buy on the moving averages, and a neutral on the oscillators. On 50 minutes everything is neutral. So okay, let's check this now. What's going on? Here's Litecoin, here's the daily chart for Litecoin. Every candle is 1 day. And then the interesting stuff is, to be the beginning, we can make one super interesting thing here. This is the Fibonacci line from the upside here to the downside, to the deepest point here on 2018. This is our nice Fibonacci, and you can see we had a downgoing price here, still 2019 or end of 18, and now we see a nice upgoing price for Litecoin. But we are not on the all-time high. The all-time high was on 366, and you can see we are momently under this point. And this is really important now. Let's make it a little bit better here. So something like this. Really important. We are now with this price under the golden pocket. You can see here the golden pocket is this point. This is 0.786 Fibonacci line. This is the golden pocket, and the price target is $293. And momently we are with 271 under this Fibonacci. So this Fibonacci line is the big resistance for the moment for Litecoin. We need to watch this. The next thing is the Ema Ribbon. What's going on here? You can see the ribbon band is our friend. It's a nice support to the downside. Everything is okay. Everything is nice. We can make one thing. This Fibonacci line is a big resistance. We can make it red as a red resistance line. And now we can delete here this Fibonacci. It's not necessary for us. Only for one stuff. We need to watch this also. This is the support line here. The support line is also very important. If we will see a retracement here from Litecoin, we have this support line, 0.618 Fibonacci line at $235. This is also very important. So let's delete Fibonacci. We know the big things to watch. We have the resistance to the upside, this point here, and we have this support to the downside, $235.7. We can also make a nice line here from here to here. This is a nice green support and not a red one. So here we are. Okay, and now on the daily chart, we see we are between this nice resistance and support lines, and now we see a little bit more as to the beginning here. So MA21 is nicely a support here on the downside. Everything is okay. Let's check now the RSI, the Relative Strange Index. And the same picture, guys, as on Bitcoin. Look at this picture. The RSI is going down with the price, and now with the price rate, the RSI is going down, and the price for Litecoin is going to the upside. And that's a bad thing we have to watch. From this point, we can make a line to this point. This is a downgoing RSI for the moment, and that's a bearish divergence, and we need to watch this also. We are not overbought. We are momently on 65 points, but you saw we spiked on 70 points. This was a little bit overbought. Now we are not overbought. Very important is also this line from the downside to the upside. This is a support. This is also working, guys, for the RSI. So as long as we are with the RSI over this support line, everything is okay, everything is fine. But you can see it on the daily, it's a danger position. Maybe we will see a downgoing RSI and also a downgoing price for Litecoin in the near future here on the daily chart. It's very possible, guys. Okay, let's turn off the daily chart. Let's go deeper into the 4-hour chart. Let's remove the RSI. here is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Nice to see. We have a nice support here with the MA21. We have also a nice support with the ribbon band, and from the downside is coming on $217. EMA 200 also working as a nice support. Everything is fine here. Everything is clear. Here is the price target 293. Here is the support 234. So we can make also another stuff here. We can make our lovely parallel channel from the downside to the upside. Here it is. So maybe let's try from this point here over this point here, and yes, to the upside. This is working. Okay. And the good news momently are, look at this on the 4-hour chart. We are, what's going on? What's going on? This was the wrong. This is the right one. We are over the middle line, and you can see the middle line is working as a support here for the moment. That's the nice news. That are the nice news. This middle line is working as a green support line. You can see we spiked under it, spiked again. Not a confirmed breakout to the downside, a closing candle to the upside. Nice. Now the next retest, and the interesting one is what would happen now. So the big things we have to watch is now on the 1-hour chart for Litecoin. Look at this, guys. 1-hour chart for Litecoin. And you can see here the next big stuff we have to watch. This is forming now a shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Oh, the last shoulder is not the nicest one, and the shoulder. So, guys, if this is a shoulder, head, shoulder, and it looks like a shoulder, head, shoulder, we have some things to watch now. The same picture as on the XRP video. I have a nice XRP video out there. Please watch it, guys. It's not unimportant to watch it. Maybe this middle line is working as our baseline. It's not the baddest thing here. So as long as we are over this middle line, everything is fine. But if we will fall confirmed under this middle line, maybe this shoulder, head, shoulder may play out. And if we will see it to play out, guys, we have a target to the downside here. That's this one here. Depends always where we will fall down. And you can see, okay, it's still possible to touch the bottom of the uptrend here for Litecoin. So my next thing to watch is this point. If we will break the middle line 268, or it will depend always where we will break it 267, something like this, we may see a downgoing price for Litecoin to 246. That's the technical target if this shoulder, head, shoulder will play out. You can also tell it a M pattern. We can see it's forming maybe a M also. The M pattern is something like this here from the start here. Point to this point, to this, and then maybe back to this one. Depends where the M pattern started, maybe this also. So guys, it's not so important if it is an M pattern or a shoulder head shoulder pattern. It's a bearish thing. And if this will play out to the downside, we may see here a downgoing price for Litecoin. So we have to watch this. This is very important. We need to stay over the middle line. That's the important thing for the moment for Litecoin here on the 1-hour chart also. What's going on with the indicators? What's going on with the MACD? And here we see, oh, it's a bearish thing. Okay, for sure. We see the brown line is under the blue line is under the brown line, and we are going down. But the good news are, look at this. These red candles are not dark red, they are light red, and they are not growing anymore. So maybe we will see a fight against this MA21. This is now our resistance. You can see it on the upside. MA21, our resistance, the spike for the last hour here. Now a new try to spike over this. So we need a confirmed breakout over the MA21 for a more mooning Litecoin. Also, we have to watch some things. We are building momently a downtrend channel, and that's also a big thing we have to watch. Parallel channel from the upside here. Sorry, not so good. A parallel channel from the upside from here, this point, over this point to this point. That's a downgoing channel, a red one, a bearish one. And as long as we are in this channel, we are bearish for sure. We need to break out from this. So also we have a target to watch this point here. That's the uptrend, the upper line of this channel, $282. So guys, you know anything you need to know. If this shoulder will break out of the downside, we have a price about 246, but we need to come under this middle line of this uptrend. That's very important. So the next thing we have to watch is this. Let me try something, guys. let me try very quick something. Let's zoom out here a little bit. So something like this one here. Okay, guys, we will check something now. Maybe this was a ABC correction. You know, I love to draw this. A point A, and it's now not so easy, B, and maybe this was the C. This was the end of the correction from this upgoing Litecoin price. Now we will check something. This maybe is this the start of our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave theory. So let's check it. Maybe this was point 1, 2, 3. Not so good. 4, 5. So it's not working so good. Maybe this was not the best one. Let me check it, guys. Maybe this one. No, let's remove it. Not working so good. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves are not so easy to draw, guys. I'm trying it once again. Maybe for sure this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this was this 5 wave upgoing wave. Then we will see maybe a ABC correction now, guys. And that's the point I would like to show you. Maybe we see here a point 1 to AB, and now maybe this is the C point. So okay, it's still possible, guys, to see something like this. We have to watch it now. You know what you have to watch. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice, okay, for sure. But guys, you need to know to watch these things now. Maybe this ABC correction. Maybe we will break this middle line, and that's the important thing now we have to watch. Guys, thank you very much for watching. One thing, this is my live streaming live on YouTube and Twitch. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is all information you need if you're trading Bitcoin. And on the upper left side, you see Ethereum. You see here buy and sell signals. You see here long and short signals. Everything you need. Thank you very much to my big boss of my channel. It's Cromlanch Momently. Greetings and thank you for your support. Guys, thank you once again for watching. If I could anything make better, please leave a comment. If you don't like my English, or if you can't understand me, please leave a comment. I will learn it. If you think I'm not a good TA analyst, please leave me a comment. I will make it. If you have some ideas for me, please leave me a comment. I will try to make it better, guys. But I can tell you, I am trading over 5 years now, and I am very profitable, a very profitable trader. So it's working. The TA I'm showing you is working, but you need to trade not with your heart. You need to trade with your brain, and that's the bad thing. That's the not so easiest part here. I know that, guys. It's very, very ugly, and I needed a long time for this. But if you can, if you keep calm, if you can turn it off in your heart, you may make good profits here with the trades. Guys, thank you very much once again for watching. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Bye bye and thank you. Hope we see us tomorrow.